हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू ExamAssure। आज हमारे साथ निष्ठा है, जिन्होंने 103 AIR रैंक सिक्योर किया है गेट 2025 एग्जामिनेशन में। सो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस निष्ठा। अभी आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट यू कि आप एक अपना शॉर्ट इंट्रोडक्शन दे हमें।
Okay. Thank you, ma'am, for this. My name is Nishtha, and I did my Bachelor's of Architecture from IKGPTU, Mohali Campus 2. I live near Kharar. It is a small town near Chandigarh. So, yeah, that's it.
Okay. जैसे आपने इस साल गेट बहुत अच्छे रैंक से क्लियर किया है, लेट मी आस्क यू
Okay.
वन थिंग कि इसके पीछे एज एन गेट एग्जामिनेशन देने के लिए कुछ ऐसे इंस्पिरेशन था, या वाज देयर सम प्लान? व्हाट वाज इट?
Yes. So, the thing was कि my mom was a teacher, and I also want to do the same. I also like teaching. जब भी exams होते थे, I would have a Google Meet and I'd have all my friends and we would revise. So I always wanted to get into teaching, and for that I got to know that I have to do masters and then PhD also. So in order to complete my masters, I had to give GATE. So that was the reason of me writing the exam.
ओके, दैट इज रियली नाइस। आई मीन, क्योंकि आपको अभी एटलीस्ट पता है वेयर यू वांट टू गो अहेड, व्हिच इज वेरी गुड।
Yes.
नाउ सिंस you've also got a good rank, ऐसे कुछ आपने डिसाइड किया है कि आई वांट टू परस्यू फ्रॉम दिस पर्टिकुलर इंस्टीट्यूट, या फिर otherwise a particular course that you might have in mind? Have you decided anything of that sort for the future?
Yes, I have a few options in my mind. Urban planning, just because of I want a safe security net कि अगर teaching नहीं होता then I'll get into a government job or something like that. So MURP from Roorkee or SPA Delhi, say urban planning, or I want to get into BEM from SPA, Building Engineering Management. So yeah.
Okay, okay, that is good. Also, can you tell us a little bit about your preparation strategy, as in एग्जाम का जो पूरा पीरियड था, या फिर एग्जाम के पहले जो पूरा प्रेपरेशन लगता है टू गेट सच अ गुड रैंक? What all strategies did you use, or was there something different? What do you feel helped you the most to get a good rank? Can you share that with us?
Yeah. So I realized what worked for me because हर एक बच्चे का strategy different होता है, I feel.
Correct,
So for
correct.
me, what worked was कि I would wait for one subject to complete.
Okay,
I'm gonna be honest, I didn't attend a single life class.
okay,
Few of them I attended because during the start, my thesis was going on.
okay,
Then I could not attend the classes, and then after then I was like, "कि छोड़ो, I'll do the recorded sessions." I would wait for one subject to complete, and then where after all the videos are done, I would make a note. I would make my notes
okay,
with that, and then एक एक करके I would complete all the sections. कि okay, common part is done. Okay, I'll then बीच में थोड़ा सा to change it up, I'll do architecture वाला part, history का थोड़ा बहुत कर लिया या planning का थोड़ा बहुत कर लिया. And then after I had my notes, then I made concentrated notes, if you can say,
okay.
कि दो तीन पेज में एक सब्जेक्ट को जो जो
पूरा
ऊपर ऊपर का पार्ट है, पॉइंट टू पॉइंट कॉन्सेप्ट मुझे
करेक्ट,
पता है, बट आई जस्ट नीड कि ये इस टाइम हुआ था, ये इस आर्किटेक्ट ने दिया था.
करेक्ट।
And then I also had a few books with me, extra books,
Okay,
which had question papers. B.K. Das was a book with
right.
solved question papers that also really helped. Plus the
Okay,
study material that you gave us,
yes.
that also had a lot of theory and it really helped because it was very concentrated. I didn't feel it was too much. of a
Okay.
study material, I feel. So yeah.
Okay.
And till December, before December, my syllabus was complete. December, I did my revisions, and I also took the test series that
Okay.
you had and other test series also. So that I did. And then January, I cannot tell you. January was really bad for me because I
Okay.
got really sick and then my laptop got messed up. So yeah, it was a whole thing. But yeah, that was my
Okay.
preparation strategy. Yes.
So then rather it would be safe to say कि भले ही जनवरी में आपको इतना टाइम नहीं मिला, but
Yes.
because you were preparing since so long, sincerely making your own notes,
Yes.
January did not matter much. Can we say
Yes.
that? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Also,
Yes.
did the mock tests help you a lot? In what
Yes,
ways
of
were they
course it
helpful?
did. It would mock tests help because it would add additional information in my notes that I didn't previously have.
Okay,
I feel कि mock test you guys plan it in a way that it is extra information apart from the notes,
correct.
right? So practice भी हो जाती है. It gives you a little scary moment also. So yeah, it helped.
Okay. ऑल्सो बिकॉज यू मेंशन कि आपने हिस्ट्री का भी पढ़ाई किया फिर प्लानिंग का भी स्टडी किया
Yeah.
सो आई वांट टू आस्क यू दैट डिड यू प्रिपेयर फॉर ऑल सेक्शन B1 एंड B2 बोथ एंड इवेंचुअली एग्जाम के टाइम पे आपने डिसाइड किया क्वेश्चंस देखने के बाद कि आई विल गो फॉर B1 और B2 और हैड यू प्री प्लान दैट ओके आई एम गोइंग टू गिव ओनली B1 और B2 विच एवर यू चोज
Hmm. Okay, so the thing is कि I had time. I was not doing any job. I was doing freelance. So I had a lot of time. So I thought कि why not prepare everything? Because a lot of part is common.
राइट
Contemporary architecture may you'll study something, but that would also be from common part A.
करेक्ट
So, and transport is also similar infrastructure. So
यस
I thought कि I should study everything. I just
ओके
had one subject, structure, which was a little difficult for me. वो भी मैंने note videos देखे थे, and then I made my notes.
ओके
But till January, I felt कि I was not confident with the structure. But still, I was very confident with history and services and construction, building construction. Yes.
Yes.
I had a preconceived notion that I would do planning part. And
Okay.
then, of course, in the exam, I felt the planning part was more
Easier.
easy for me. Yes.
Yes. So basically, it's better to prepare for the whole and then
Yes.
eventually, right? Because like you
Yes.
said, कि part B1 के questions common section में भी आपको मिलेंगे. So you don't
Yes.
want to lose out on marks over there. Right.
Yes.
So, can we say that making your own notes, practicing mock tests is one of the most
Yes.
important thing, and of course, attending classes or even attending or completing all the class recordings is more
Yes.
important.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Coming to the day of the exam, उस दिन what was going on in your head, let's say, या फिर was there some stress, anxiety, or how did you deal with the time that day? बिकॉज आई एम श्योर एग्जाम जब पेपर सामने आता है थोड़ा प्रेशर तो होता है कहीं ना कहीं तो सो और
Yes.
डिड यू नॉट हैव इट एट ऑल
No, no, I had it a lot because uh, okay, how do I tell you this? Something happened and I thought ki I was not gonna get to the exam on the right time. So
ओके
I had anxiety before that. But once I uh, entered the center, once I sat and I saw ki okay, I have time. I composed myself. I did okay. Everybody has a ritual, right?
राइट
They
राइट
meditate for a few seconds. They check their pen. They check their everything. Do I have my identity card? Do I have my admit card? So after that, I didn't have any anxiety. Before the exam, it's there, but once the exam starts, I don't think I had it.
ओके
Yes. But yeah, I would
Also,
also like to add, sorry, I'm cutting you.
no, no, no.
I would also like to add, during my preparations, I had a friend with me, and I would
Okay,
teach him also, right?
okay.
So, and he also qualified, right?
Oh, wow.
S- Yes. So, he also helped me because we had a schedule कि इतने बजे हम आज ये वाला सब्जेक्ट करेंगे, ये सिलेबस इतना कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. And that really helps because if you have a friend with you, राइट,
Correct,
कभी कभार होता है जब आप अकेले प्रिपरेशन कर रहे होते हो कि मतलब यार आज नहीं, आज मूड नहीं है, आज कुछ और करते हैं, बट देन यू हैव दैट फ्रेंड विद यू
correct.
हु कीप्स यू
Yes. So you get that
ग्राउंडेड.
push. You get that push
यस.
also, even if you
यस.
don't feel like studying for one day, which is good actually.
यस.
So it
Yes.
keeps you in
And it
discipline
didn't
as
feel
well.
like studying also. We
Right.
discussed about topics. So yeah, like
Correct.
once I was done with my notes, I would explain it to him. Yes, yes, why. So it was fun. It didn't
Okay.
feel like studying.
And that
So
is
yeah,
really
that,
good. That is because again, it should be fun, not burdensome. Otherwise,
yes,
it doesn't make
yes,
any sense. Right.
yes,
Also, in terms of, let's say, the questions, जो भी एग्जाम में आए, uh, were they somewhere relatable to the mock test या फिर when you saw the questions on the day of the examination, then
yes,
जो भी मॉक्स आपने सॉल्व किए थे आपको लगा कि यार अच्छा हुआ मैंने मॉक टेस्ट सब सॉल्व किए, दिस इज
yes,
हेल्पफुल.
yes. I would say कि almost 60 to 70% of the exam is easy. 20 to 30% of the questions are there that are gonna make you spin your head, I feel. That are
Okay.
gonna confuse you a little bit. Options are obviously they are tricky.
Yes,
Uh,
definitely.
yes, and MSQ also they would tweak something and then. But yeah, I think mock tests really helps you to focus on the question, reading the question अच्छे से, attempting, uh, if you can say
Okay.
overall. So yes.
Okay. Also, coming to my last question, how
Okay.
was exam assure helpful to you in your whole journey for the preparation?
So it really helped. It helped in a way that I had a structure. Okay, कि this is something that I have to study. This is the bare minimum, right? Because when you start, agar you start alone without any coaching, I think you would get overwhelmed by the whole syllabus. You would not know where the boundaries lie for some topics.
Correct.
So exam sure provide us with a set of syllabus कि मतलब इतना ही आएगा, इतने में से you'll get qualified. I'm sure कि मतलब if you study this study material and if you attend the classes, if you understand it, I think you would qualify 100%, I feel.
Okay.
That is something. Yes. And mock test also, it gives you time to practice. It trains your mind to uh, have.
Undergo that pressure,
Yes, yes,
face that
exactly.
pressure rather. Okay.
Yes, yes.
So, yes, we would like to wish you all the best for your
Thank
future
you, ma'am.
and all whatever you want to pursue ahead. So, all the
Thank you,
best,
ma'am.
and we are very proud of you that you were a part of ExamAssure. So, congratulations once again.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.